Hey everyone, noticed that Microsoft Team mark you as away a little too soon? Today I'll show you how to customize your present status so you can stay active or set your status manually just the way you like. Let's get started. First, open up Microsoft Team and sign into your account if you haven't already. Click on your profile picture at top right corner. Then select Available, Busy, Do Not Disturb or Appear Away. You can choose exactly how you want to appear. And here's the truth. Microsoft Teams does not officially let you adjust the auto away time. It usually marks you away after 5 minutes of inactivity. But here's the trick. You can use third-party tools like Mouse Juggler or Caffeine to keep your PC active and prevent Teams from making you away. Works like magic. And here's the quick recap. Click your profile picture, choose your status manually, or you can use third-party tools to stay active. And that's it. Now you control how and when Teams show you as away. If this helped, hit the like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more super simple tech tips.